But the main character actually has a brain.
Huh? Where am I'm probably in one of those awful Roblox stories. Stupid text-to-speech. It's Roblox, not Roblox.
Hey, poor ugly noob.
1. Who are you? How so?
Because I got 91629.
How did you get that much Robux?
I sold my mommy and daddy.
WHAD. I meant to say, what?
I am nothing. Anyways, I'm gonna go change my avatar for ugly brat.
Don't care plus didn't ask.
I'm back.
How did you change your avatar so quick?
I don't know, probably cause this is a Roblox story. Anyways, bye ugly noob.
Why is there slime in the background?
Joins Ragdoll for no reason.
This isn't Ragdoll, there is still slime in the background.
Shut up.
No.
Join my GC.
Lol, no.
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 Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Ha, join my GC now.
No.
Random Perpidral 1 has added Slender Hater 4.
Ear, who added this bacon?
Me.
Kick her now.
Yes, please kick me.
No, don't kick her.
It's don't, not don't.
Never mind.
Y'all wanna do an age and face reveal?
Actually has a brain. Part 2.
We're back.
I can see that.
Hey Bacon,
What?
you need Robux.
I'm not spending my money on a virtual currency. It's not like I have money anyway, cause this isn't even real.
Hey!
I mean, hey Jackie Boo.
I give you 9 to 7, 3, 8.
My voice changer broke.
What?
I am nothing.
Anyways, I can afford it cause I'm rich.
Stop.
Okay, I'll give you the Robux.
Robux.
Some preppy Gurgle has given Height Slenders 9 to 738 to 537 to
Will this
68
narrator
to
shut up?
637 to 537 to 819 to 71 Robux.
The way it said Robux.
Robux.
Okay, go change now.
How am I supposed to change, cause this literally isn't even Roblox, there is literally slime in the background.
I don't know, just teleport away then teleport back. Then, you will have a different avatar.
Oh, okay. I hate this. I hate. This isn't that bad.